the kiddo is off of school, the wife doesn't have to work, so we popped over to Disney for a little bit of Magic Kingdom. We're doing some rides. There's some food I need to get, probably some shopping. I don't know. Let's get going. Dad was having some fun with the kiddo, doing some Instagram modeling and taking some photos with his new iPhone 14. Wow, the iPhone 14 Pro is awesome. Somebody I know. And the Indians. How was it?
It was awesome.
Is that your favorite ride here?
Yeah.
What should we do next?
We're going on the carousel.
Okay, this horse here is the only horse that has a gold ribbon on its tail, and it is rumored that that means that it is Cinderella's horse. So this horse right here is Cinderella's horse, apparently. That's what everyone said. I never do this, but I'm on the horse too. We both have horses now. The wife and the kiddo wanted to eat at Columbia Harbor House, but I have a hot dog I have been wanting for a long time, and it's only here in October or for the Halloween season. So I gotta make my way over to Casey's by myself. I got my hot dog and I made it past the parade. I thought I was gonna get stuck on the other side of the street, but I made it. I have been wanting the Pain and Panic hot dog for a long time. It is a foot-long hot dog, sweet relish, and flaming hot Cheetos.
If I tried that, I would not recommend it. Hot.
I didn't get any of the Cheetos yet. It's good.
Hot.
Yeah. Very mild as far as the spice goes. And I had to get with some chili cheese fries with Walt chili. Quick pin trade down, and we are going to try to find Peter Pan. Not the ride, the man. No Pan. He's not there right now. I guess we missed him.
So good.
Tastes the same.
Yeah. Tastes good.
That's your favorite, right? Time for a quick stop into the Emporium. We started off in the Emporium with a couple of ears that I've never seen. These are Euro Disney. We don't get much of that stuff over here. And then a big button ear. The wife said those weren't that attractive looking. These are, though, munchlings. These things are awesome. They're like little squishes based off of snacks. They have an ice cream one, a cookie one, a taffy one. Big ones, little ones, they range all in prices from like 40 bucks to 17 bucks, I think, for the small blind boxes. They're pretty cool. I'm very surprised we got out of there without having to buy the child one. I like it.
There's a Hulk and Groot.
Oh my gosh. There's an Incredible Hulk new emo. Oh boy. That is awesome. And Groot. I am Groot. What's Groot say?
I'm Groot.
That's all he says. I am Groot. Oh, these are awesome. Not a whole bunch of new 50th stuff. Looked a lot like the same stuff. Except there was this clock there, which is from the Vault collection. They were 35 bucks, and it's a pretty neat little old school alarm clock. And they're finally back. It's a new mug I've never seen before. Little Tiana restaurant fun. Oh, but these aren't 50. They're not 50.
Yeah, they have that.
Oh, his teeth change color. $39.99 for some cuddles. They're cute. And they finally have a Nightmare Before Christmas here that I like.
I think this will show up in the outlet.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
What did you find? A Sally Cuddles. It's like a Squishmallow. But,
All right.
oh my god, that's very cute.
I want it.
I don't know, how much is it? They're $39.99. Daddy checked already. I don't know, give me the face. $36.99 for a glow-in-the-dark Oogie shirt. It's got like little rips in it.
I know. Period.
Period.
smile because they're all icy things.
Can you show them Binks? In a witch hat.
Thanks.
That's adorable. I love it. This is a cool little candle holder. I'll put candle in quotation marks because it says on it, meant for electronic light source only. Still pretty cool. I hadn't seen these ears. These are awesome Coco ears. I just love that movie. Great movie. And we had some Mickey's Main Attraction bags. We had the Royal Carousel and some Dumbo stuff. There was even the Dumbo plush. I didn't see the other plush, unfortunately. That is super cool. Can you show me the other side? I love it. You convinced Mommy to get Skittles. It seems like we always end our day in the confectionery. Dad has to get his candy apple. The kiddo's got to get some candy. What a day at Disney. Thanks for tuning in. Dad may be very excited to eat his candy apple, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Maybe leave a like or a comment about your favorite part of the video. It really helps with engagement and helps the videos a lot. If you don't have a comment, just leave your favorite emoji. That engagement thing is really important for YouTube. Thank you again, and have fun. Check out one of these videos. Bye!